What's something people don't know about exercise? Exercise is insulin for the body. Just as insulin helps sugar get absorbed by the body to provide energy, physical exercise can also act as insulin and thus become a source of energy for your body, thereby becoming a preventative against diabetes and other diseases. First, let's talk about sugar. Sugar is either energy for the body or a cause of disease. The question arises, when is sugar energy for our body and when it is a health issue? Sugar, specifically in the form of glucose, provides energy for your body, but only when it is absorbed by your cells through the help of insulin, a hormone produced by the pancreas, which allows the glucose to enter the cells and be used as fuel. If your cells cannot absorb the glucose, due to conditions like diabetes, the sugar remains in your blood and does not provide energy. It will help us to learn a bit about the pancreas. The pancreas has two main functions. First is digestion. The pancreas produces enzymes that break down food, including fats, proteins, sugars, and starches. The pancreas also secretes bicarbonate to neutralize stomach acid. Second is hormone production. The pancreas produces hormones that regulate blood sugar levels and appetite, and stimulate stomach acids. The main hormones produced by the pancreas are insulin and glucagon. The pancreas is located in the abdomen, behind the stomach, and is about the size of a hand. The part of the pancreas that produces digestive juices is called the exocrine pancreas, and the part that produces hormones is called the endocrine pancreas. Disorders of the pancreas include acute or chronic pancreatitis. When the pancreas can't produce and deliver digestive enzymes, the body can't break down food properly. Symptoms include discomfort after eating, undigested fats in stool, and weight loss. Pancreatic cancer. Cancers that develop in different parts of the pancreas can have different symptoms. Diabetes, type 1 and type 2 diabetes, are related to problems with insulin production or use. In type 1 diabetes, the pancreas can't produce insulin, and in type 2 diabetes, cells lose their ability to use insulin. It's possible to live without a pancreas, but supplemental therapies are required to replace the enzymes and hormones it produces. Role of exercise. According to the National Center for Biotechnology Information, regular exercise is associated with the prevention and minimization of weight gain, reduction in blood pressure, improvement in insulin sensitivity and glucose control, and optimization of the lipoprotein profile, all of which are independent risk factors for the development of type 2 diabetes. Exercise can significantly help transport glucose to cells by increasing the translocation of glucose transporter proteins, or GLUT4, to the cell membrane, which allows for greater uptake of glucose from the bloodstream, particularly in muscle tissue. Exercise acts like insulin in helping cells absorb glucose from the blood. Key points about exercise and glucose transport. The primary protein responsible for glucose transport into muscle cells is GLUT4, and exercise stimulates its movement to the cell membrane, facilitating glucose uptake. When muscles contract during exercise, signaling pathways are activated that trigger the translocation of GLUT4 to the cell surface. Regular exercise improves insulin sensitivity, meaning that the body can utilize glucose more effectively, even when insulin levels are present. This is for informational purposes only, which may change. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. Exercise. So let us hit the HIIT, high-intensity interval training exercises, or a brisk walk, or what pleases you. You can do it. Say, oh yes, I can. Inshallah.